please.
Oh my gosh. That was a good one. That following direction stuff, there's something to that. Yes. I want to see if you know what clockwise is, if you wind it clockwise.
I did. I know. I just want to place it.
Okay, well you can play with it, but if you want to show me winding it clockwise, I'll videotape that too.
Cool. If I found it, I did it.
It doesn't work half bad that way.
See that? Watch. I'm gonna do it again. I did it 5 without it.
I'll be darned. That's not bad.
It's easier.
Does it go faster if you wind it up?
Yeah, but it's fun to do it up there. It's easier too.
You got it going pretty good, Dennis.
Blow it, don't twist it. Definitely blow it without it.
You know where I got that, Preston?
Please.
I got that at the Cracker Barrel.
Please give me a toy. Please.